Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study psychology and sociology. To begin, focus on understanding the core principles that underpin human behavior and societal structures. Psychology delves into individual minds, while sociology examines group dynamics and cultural influences. By approaching these subjects with an open mind and a structured plan, you can effectively grasp their complexities. We'll explore methods to make your learning journey both engaging and highly productive, ensuring you build a solid foundation in both disciplines. When tackling core concepts, begin by categorizing theories. In psychology, explore perspectives like psychodynamic, cognitive, and humanistic, each offering a unique lens on the human mind. For sociology, delve into structural functionalism, conflict theory, and symbolic interactionism, which explains societal organization and change. Try to find at least 2 real-world examples for each theory to solidify your understanding. This active engagement helps you see how these abstract ideas manifest in everyday life, making them much easier to remember and apply. Next, let's dive into research methods, which are crucial for both fields. Familiarize yourself with quantitative methods, like surveys and experiments, which often involve large data sets and statistical analysis. Also, explore qualitative methods, such as in-depth interviews and participant observation, which provide rich, nuanced insights. Consider how a study with 100 participants might differ from one with just 10. Understanding these distinctions helps you critically evaluate research and apply findings to real-world problems, from mental health interventions to social policy. Finally, let's talk about effective study strategies. One powerful technique is creating concept maps. Visually linking ideas helps you see the bigger picture and retain information better. Another is active recall. Instead of just rereading, test yourself frequently using flashcards or practice questions. Try to explain complex ideas aloud to an imaginary audience or a study partner. Engaging in discussions with peers can also clarify difficult concepts and expose you to new perspectives, making your learning journey more collaborative and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.